Hey, what's up guys? Today we are playing the entire Rainbow Friends series. Let's get into it. We're starting with chapter 1. And trying to get in the bus. But if you don't know, Rainbow Friend is a horror game. I'm using quotation marks right now. Horror game, totally. And it's where you get stuck in a facility where these Rainbow Friends want to keep you there, and you'll see the video. You'll see how it is by watching my video, or you could go watch some popular YouTubers' video. I don't know. I don't really care. But yeah. But we're gonna be playing Rainbow Friends 1 and 2, and then whenever the third one comes out, I'll redo this. I'll do this video again, starting from 1 to 3. So, let's get started. Odd world? Nope. Oh, who's that guy? I wonder who it could be. Totally don't know. I totally don't know who that guy could be. Totally not. Totally won't get revealed in like the next 30 minutes, 10 minutes. Oh, dang it. What happened? Oh my goodness, the blue guy is getting dragged away. Who would have known? Okay, let's get into it. Where am I? Dude, where even am I? Oh, the blocks are gone. Called it. By the way, I've played this game before, so you know I have a bunch of stuff. Which is why I like the cactus the best. Okay, good luck. Here's one thing. But before you guys, but one thing, if you guys like this video, then who do you think, which Rainbow Friends character would you be? You leave it in the comments. Okay, how do I use my box? Okay, B. Oh, that's how. Oh, this is my first time playing this on computer. Oh, okay, that's hard. Okay, so blue's the only one, so I'm safe if I'm in a box. Here, let me tell you something. If you are in a box and blue comes, then he can't get you. He doesn't know the difference. Now, I'll tell you how these other guys work, and other stuff. Now, so I'm staying in my box because I don't want to make this video go bye-bye. Because if I did, then it's going to be a very short video for you guys to watch. Oh my goodness. No way. Yeah, but I have my bodyguards to protect me. Boom. And in here, I'm heading to the house thingy. Oh look, I'm getting in the box and then I'm falling out. Boom. Big brain. A big brain like that. You know, let's look in the shop. How much coin? Nope, 85. Oh, we did it. No, they did it. I did nothing. Next round I'll do stuff, okay? Trust me. Oh, okay, let me tell you about Green. So, he's actually gonna tell you. Just watch. Okay, so look at Green. Just read it. Oh, wow, Green. Green's my favorite character. Get some rest, okay? I will, trust me. I'll need it. Why does it say 7? I didn't even get any blocks. Actually, which bed do I want? I want the brown one. Mine. It's mine. My bed. Get away. It's my bed. Get away. It's mine. Me. Oh, Cream's awake? No way. Oh, he knows we're in here? I just have to crouch. Don't worry about him though, he's blind. How can he catch you if he can't see you? Trust me, many ways. Wait, he didn't even tell us what to get. He didn't even tell us what to do. He just said, oh, he won't get ya. By the way, I want to show you one trick, okay? No. Ah, it didn't work. Guess they patched it. You can't get us, you can't get us. Na 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 boo boo. Dude? Huh? Oh my goodness. Dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. Boom. See, look, you can see the entire thing. There's green and blue down there. Right there. There's the room. There's Oddworld. It's pretty cool how I can do this with the thingy. No, let me zoom in. Tell us more about, blah, blah, blah. No. Yeah, I said I was going to do something. I was going to show you stuff. Yeah. This round you're supposed to grab food packets. Okay? And the food packets allow you to feed Orange. I'll tell you who Orange is next, okay? Orange loves food, okay? Like, I mean, like, he's skinny, but he loves food. I can hear Blue coming, so yeah, I'm in the box. But yeah, he loves food, absolutely loves food. So, we find food packs, and bring them to the theater, and put them in the right stuff, inside the right thingy, and then Orange will wake up from his slumber. Wakey, 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 wake up, Orange. Come on, getting bored. Need entertainment. I wish they could have done it one at a time. Like, I don't know, like, you know, like just one monster at a time. Not just all of them at the same. I thought I got eliminated, man. Or that was a jump scare. Oh, see, look, there's Orange. Wow, that food looks good. Really good. Very, very good. That's a surprise. Orange left his cave? He's a dinosaur? I never knew that. Wow, definitely not gonna, I definitely didn't know that there's gonna be more dinosaurs coming into the game. Totally not. Totally didn't know that. This is my bed. Mine. Get out. It's mine. No one else can have it. Mine. It's mine. Mine. Look at this. Got that jawline. Oh, here. Okay, let me tell you something. Okay, two things. Orange, you can only go in a straight line all around the thing. If you get out of his way and wear a box, then you're fine. But with Purple, if he's in the vents, then you have to head around his arms, or he'll drag you down to the deep depths of the vents. You hear me? Oh, green. Wow. Green. Bing, bing, bing. Green. I actually don't know what that is. I actually don't know. I've always wondered. It's a weird sound. I'm just getting out of Green's way. I'm waiting. Okay, you know what? We need to go. We need to actually work. Like some people. You know, I never mind. I'm fine. I'm fine staying here, doing nothing. You know, the way my mama loves me. Yeah, I'm joking now. Work. I gotta work. This is where we're actually made. Okay, so here's some backstory lore. The Rainbow Friends weren't really Rainbow Friends. They weren't really monsters at first. They were humans. And then next, the so-and-so guy that's going to be revealed turned them into this. You got that? See, look. I don't know who this guy is. I don't know. I don't know who this guy is. I don't know why that's here. Oh, see, look, purple. We're gonna have to hit around it. Oh my goodness! What was that? What is that? Oh, that makes sense. Oh, okay. Purple's hanging here. Hi, Purple. No one really sees the true Purple, but you see his arms and his eyes, and you can really guess what he is. I swear to goodness, what is that sound? No escape? Oh, I bet. Give me a sledgehammer, and I'll knock down those doors. Wow, we're zooming through this game. Oh, monkey. It's gonna blow. It was gonna blow up. I didn't even blow up. It should have blown up. This one? No, wait. I want to show you guys a trick. It's the best trick ever. And yeah, okay. So if you know how it looks, wait, I'll show you. I call the top bunk now, for once in my life. I call it the bottom bunk. That's my bunk. Get away. It's mine. This is mine. Not mine. Not yours. This is mine. Not yours. Get away. Okay, so looks like you'll have to turn the power back on. Find a way to get the power on. I don't care. I'm not listening to you. I'm not falling for your tricks. I have my rights, and I am going to not do it. Okay, but here's a trick. Okay, so you know how it's like really dark and like scary. Settings. Just back to normal. But I don't like that like that. You guys aren't gonna like that. Boom. Shaders. The way to go. Look to goodness, what is that sound? Beep, 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 beep. Hey, what? Ooh. Hello, I'm here now. Let me in. I just want to tell you one thing. It gets. Oh no! He's gone. No, he was the best. He was the best. A moment of silence for him. Okay, let's get back on. Okay, let's head in here. You may think you're a scaredy cat. You're just staying in your box, not doing it. Yes. Yes, I said yes to all those answers. Yes. But yeah, throw back to the beginning of the video. I forgot if I asked you this, but if you're a see, this is orange, okay? I want to show you. Somebody forgot to feed orange. It's not our job, it's yours. But look, here comes orange. Here he comes. He's running. Boom, there he is. What? Oh, he ran off his track. He ran off his track. Oh my goodness, why did he do that? Why? Why did he do that? Why? Oh, Sonic. What's up, Sonic? You're faster than Orange, right? Yeah, I think so. Oh, green. Oh, green, great. Oh, there he is. Is he wanting a hug? Oh, we did it! Okay, here comes the last part. Probably the most hard part out of all of it, okay? And probably the most fearful out of all of it. I just want to say this. I'm gonna let these guys do all the work for me, and then I'm gonna run and get out of there. So then it's blue can't catch me. Some of you have seen, played this game already. Well then, you know what's happening. And yeah, Lord, I'm gonna let you all go. No, I want to go. I don't want cake. I don't want to party. No, I just want to go. I want to leave. I just want to leave. I want to go. I want to go back to. Actually, no. Wait a minute. This place is better than school. Yeah, I'll take a party. If the pizza slices aren't like an inch. So sad. Legends. They're gone. I'll take a party at. I'll take a ticket and a party hat. Ooh, I got a green party hat. Yeah. Woo! Party. What happens if you don't put in the ticket? Wait a minute, did he just break the system? Probably next video I'm gonna go over some of the, like maybe next video I may just do secret stuff. You know, like stuff, secret, cool stuff. Okay, I just want to say one thing. Do not wake up blue. If you wake up blue, I am going. That's what happens if you wake up blue. Except that's you. And he's not so. Oh wow. Wow, these guys are like, I'll pop every single balloon in existence. Wait, there's no balloons left after he does that. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh, there's that balloon. That's gonna kill us. Oh, this part's the nerve-wracking part. Okay, this is the nerve-wracking part. Here it comes. Oh, look, a balloon. Oh, a beautiful balloon. There it is. Move these out of the way. Now. Move them out of the way. This way, this way. Okay, I'm a parkour master. Trust me. Dead end. Let's go, we're escaping. Okay, say goodbye, Blue. Bye-bye, Blue. Bye-bye, baby Blue. No, I'm not heading back to school. Nah. Yeah. How about that? Yeah, I'll come. How about that? Bye. Yeah. Let's go, we won. Now, okay. That's chapter 1. Yeah. Let's move on to chapter 2. Chapter 2, it's a lot more harder, okay? It's a lot more harder, I just want to tell you that. A lot more harder. That's a banger, man. See, that's the guy. I'm telling you. Red. See, you haven't estimated them. Nope. Googly eyes. Googly eyes. I bet you could turn him into a toy, and then next you could have him as a plushie. Oh, wait a minute. You can. I'm joking. You really think I have merch? In my dreams. Now here's chapter 2. We're gonna head in, and this is chapter 2. Climbing over the fence. This is a continuing to chapter 1, and this is in, guess it? Odd World. We actually head to where we were supposed to go, but I don't know, it took like 5 years for us to climb over a fence. I don't know. 'Cause I don't know how they could take over a amusement park in 5 minutes and turn all the rides into themed stuff like them. And for players, blah 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 blah. See, I'm running. I'm voting. No. I don't want to vote. I don't want to vote. This video needs to be long. See, look. Oh, who's this guy? I'll cover the lore next video on, or my theories on the lore and what's gonna happen next on, you know, like just the game. So yeah. Oh my goodness, he's talking. He's talking! Hooray! Hooray! He's finally talking. I'm being sarcastic right now. I'm sure it's just your imagination. Well, then why are you breaking into a theme park? Cotton 4K. Cotton 4K. Yeah, Cotton 4K, man. Now, here comes the good part. 3, 2, 1. There he is. There's the man himself, the red. And here they come. Green and blue. Boom. This video is gonna be a while. You guys can finish it, right? But if you don't, that's completely fine. By the way, you know this here? But okay, so we need light bulbs for the SOS. Why do they look certain familiar colors? Like, you know, like, it just seems weird. Like, why there would be certain colors. And see, look, I'm doing my job this time. Hooray, I'm doing my job. I'm not just sitting back lazing around. Second game, beginning, easy. Come on, man. Please get up. I'm not heading out there, man. That's a... No. No. Doing my job like a tiny little bit, but not like all the time. Who do you think I am? A working man? A freeloader child. Oh crap. Blue. Hey, Blue. Laser tag. Hooray! But yeah, I think this game, okay, I just want to say this game has a bunch of lore behind it and probably some of the best storyline of gaming history, okay? You know. But one thing is I'm going to cover what I think my theories. So long, suckers! Boom. That zipline took me away from Blue, and now he can't get me. Oh, look at this. Showers aren't working. Call number, change garage code. What? Was that made by like a couple of first graders? Maybe. I don't know. Probably not. No, probably. Actually, probably. The microphone's about to fall. Come Come on, please no green. Oh, blue. Is that blue? Run! Run! Oh, they're probably in Purple's cave. Oh, here comes green. Nightmare fuel. You know what? That's it. You know what? Let's get a good view of this place. Okay? Let's get a good view of this place. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have Purple's lair, Orange's cavern thingy, and then Rainbow Park, and then yada 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 yada, a bunch of stuff, you know. I could jump. No, just then I could only jump then. Only if I could jump. Oh well, I'm heading to Purple's lair, which is connected to Rainbow. What's it called? I can't zoom out. Well, I'll see whenever I get there. Now, okay, so you have to stay crouching. I don't know if they fixed this bug, but I hope they didn't. What you're supposed to do is stand up there, but I don't do that. Okay. You can't get me because I'm crouching. Now I need to do this. Dang, it's only gonna be me, man. Whew. Please tell me that there's at least some smart people left. Or if there's people left at all. One sec. There's Rainbow Park thingy. Oh my freaking goodness! Dude! How? Dude! Dude! What? Do they not know? Dude, I'm gonna have to retry this. Because I'm not doing this alone. Only if I could revive them with Robux. What a shame. 3 more. No, it's only me left, man. Let me check. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try this again. Here, green. Hey, buddy. Oops. Oh, you can't get me. Oh, his arms are transparent. What? Oh, now he gets me. That's loud, dude. Dude, that's loud. Okay. Well, let's try that again. This time, people don't be dumb. Please. Please don't. Please just don't copy me and stand plain middle inside Purple's lair. Crouch. It's better. It's safer. It's, yeah, not dumb. The street. Climbing over the fence. Blah, blah, blah. You already know this. But I am going to review the lore next video, so yada 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 yada. In my theories for the next game and how the lore is going to continue. And while I'm doing that, I'm probably going to be playing a game while doing it. I don't know. So, get excited. I may not even finish this video game. Yeah, I'm joking, I will. Now, I'm running. I'm voting skip. Skip. Come on, 2 more people vote. No, 1 more person. Okay, let's go. We already know what to do. We already know how to do it. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Dang it. Beat me to it. Oh well, I'm ziplining. Now. Crap. Thing keeps on falling. My microphone. See, look, this is Loki. One of the best characters in the game. Let me tell you about him. He is the king of all Lokis, I'm pretty sure. This is my guess. He's the king of all Lokis, and he's adorable, and he loves cake. That's it. I'm not going into the lore. Not yet. You're gonna have to watch that video to go into the lore. To watch the video. Okay, got this, and no, I have the last one. No, please, no, just no, please, no, huh? What? No! Dude, no! How are there still this many players here? Oh wait, nope, I don't have the last 2. How are there still this many players here? And they were literally dropping like flies. Like, dude? I'm actually probably going to be playing the games. Okay, wait. I'm probably going to be playing Rainbow Friends in a background in the games that have the lore in it. And that continued to this for my lore video, but yeah. Free promotion for the lore video. Go watch it now, wherever it's posted. Yay. Oh my goodness. They're dropping like flies. I'm telling you, they're dropping like flies. You know, wait, let me check. How many people are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Including me, there's 8 left. Wow. Going in circles. Spinning in circles. What's that? Dude, what was that? Green, stop camping. Green! Move! Please! Green! Blue, push him out of the way, please. Finally! Finally, you moved, Green. Not telling me to come back. Run! Huh? Oh, 1 left. He's maybe gonna get eliminated. Nope. He didn't get eliminated. That's a surprise. Hey, buddy. Yay! Finally, we're done with this torture. Where did the eyes and the tongue come from? Hey, Actually, an SOS light. I mean, wow, you guys must be good at finding things. Wow, why is he on fire? You okay, dude? You good? You good, man? Man, come on, speak to me. Okay, drill. Wow. Need to find. Okay, here's yellow. He can fly up into the air, grab you, and then he's gonna maybe take you to the next nest, and then you're gonna have to drop into the bouncy house. Got that? Good. If you didn't get that, rewind the video and slow it down. One good thing about yellow is he's a way that you're able to get the go-karts out of the thing. Yep. You're able to get go-karts outside of the map, and then you're able to drive around, and yeah, pretty fun. Drill. See, look, there's Yellow. He has a helicopter thing on his back. And he's a dinosaur, like Orange. One sad thing is, Orange is not in this game. Only for that. Which is really sad. Orange is like the best character. Other than... I don't know actually who's the best character. That's a confusing one. Is that Loki? And Purple got someone, probably. Look at this. What do you see? Rainbow Racers? Is that what it's called? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Now, he can't get me. What was that? That was a mix of all the monsters' roars. Okay, who's left? Okay, some people. Now, here's probably what happened to those people. They walked with their box on, and they didn't crouch. Now I'm waiting for everyone to hurry up and get the thing, and then next, the cake thing. And then, oh, I hate cyan. Ugh. Cyan is the worst. I'll tell you about cyan whenever they come. Not they. Who? What do you mean credits? Huh? Nope. What was that? Like, was that a sneeze? Then bless you. Guys, I don't know what sneeze that was. Oh, hey, Yellow. What's up, Yellow? Huh? What sound is that? Is that them coughing? Because if it is, then go to the hospital. Please go to the hospital if that's you coughing. Same with that. You may be thinking, why are you staying here? Well, because I've been surrounded by blue, green, and all of them. Now this video is coming up to be an hour long. Well, if you're still here, thanks for watching it. Oh wow. Mine. Nope, everyone's doing nothing but me. No, everyone's doing nothing like me. Green, I swear to goodness. If you talk like that, 5, 4, I'll be able to see the last stuff like that. This last gas. 1. Okay, I can only see 1. Huh? Stay in there, please. I don't want anyone else to get lost. Oh, there's the minecart. How did he get in there? How is that even possible? They're breaking the game. Somehow. Is that an electric fence? 3, 2 more. Oh, there's green. Gotta head the opposite direction of him. Because he's the scariest. Like, I know he may not be able to see you, but if he's blocking your way and there's 2 of them, then... just... How? That's the Lukey. Who's even left? Okay. What's that? Oh no. I got 3. Where's the rest? Okay, I got the rest in here for a tiny bit. Nope. Yeah, probably won't finish this game. I'll just tell you then, okay? So, we meet this person, Cyan. Well, not a person, it's a monster. And then next, they try to catch us. And then next, we bake a cake. No, we find a bunch of Lokis, which are those circle thingies. And we try to put them back in the pen that Red released. And whenever we put them back, we were trying to move the big Loki that I showed you. And then next, whenever we move him, with cake that we find all around the map, we get to we're able to use minecarts inside Orange's Cavern to leave and never sing again. And then next at the end there's this cool cutscene. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video and goodbye.